once again. So today we are going to talk about vegetation, whereby vegetation is a plant cover on the earth's surface. Whereby we have two types of vegetation, whereby we have natural, which exists on its own, and semi-natural, whereby there are vegetation which are recovering from interference from man and planted, which are planted by man. Whereby we have factors influencing vegetation. Now the topographical factors such as the altitude, the terrain, the aspects, the drainage, and the drainage. Then you have the climatic factors, which are the temperature, the precipitation, the sunlight, and the wind. Then we have the edaphic factor or the soil factors. Then we have the biotic factors or the biological factors. Whereby the biological factors are the living organisms, the human beings, whereby under the living organisms can say the bacteria such as earthworms, the bearing plants improve soil fertility, hence influencing the vegetation growth. And under the human factors, we can say that clearing of vegetation for settlement can lead to desertification. As you can see here, the map of Kenya showing different vegetation zones. We have the mangrove forest, the equatorial forest, plateau, mountain, heat and moorland, coconut, and tall grass, evergreen, bush and thicket, the scrub vegetation and the swamp vegetation. The main vegetation zones, we have the forest, which includes the plateau forest, especially on the Lake Victoria basins, and on the low, and the second one is the lowland forest, especially on the quality regions, and the highland forest, especially on mountain regions, for example Mount Kenya, Badea forests. Okay, the second one is savanna. Savanna, we have types of savanna. We have the wooded or the tree grass, like the grassland. Then we have the bushland and the thicket. Then we have the highland grassland. Then the third one is the semi-desert and desert. So the desert region is the dry. It's a region which is dry with little or no vegetation and experiences low rainfall. So you can see the plants that grows on deserts are called the xerophytes, whereby they are adapted the following characteristics. We have some of thick leaves to store water. Long taproots to access water from rocks beneath. Needle-like leaves to conserve water, and shading of leaves to conserve water. Now the heat and moorland, which is found on the lower altitudes of the mountain, on the higher altitudes of the mountain. The swamp vegetation, which is found on flat areas. Then we have the vegetation zones of the world. We have the forest. Under the forest, we have the tropical rainforest. We have the mangrove forest. We have the tropical monsoon forest. The Mediterranean forest. The temperate deciduous forest. The coniferous forest. The mixed forest. The temperate grasslands, whereby you have the prairies, the steppes, the pampas, the veldt, whereby the prairies are found in Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, USA. In USA, the steppes is found in Europe and Asia. The pampas is found in Argentina. The downs of Australia are found in Australia and New Zealand. Then we have the desert vegetation. This consisted of the xerophytes and halophytes. Then we have We have the uses of desert vegetation, such as bilberries. In temperate deserts, bear edible fruits. Small trees are a source of fuel, such as Eskimos who lives in Arctic region. Then we have the mountain vegetation, whereby the uses of mountain vegetation provide the use of mountain forests, whereby mountain forests provide sources of timber, provide habitats. They help to purify the air by absorbing CO2 and providing oxygen, and are used for research. Okay, so here we have the mountain zone, where we have the savanna, the rainforest from the lower altitude to the highest altitude, the temperate forest, the bamboo, heat and moorland, and snow. So that marks the end of my lesson for today. Let's meet on the other lesson, whereby we shall discuss about climate. So go and do more consultation on and read more on climate. We shall come back on there when I will come back. Thank you.